Welcome to Research Talks. In this video, we will see how to get ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free. How many days we are receiving this free offer coming from ChatGPT. Last 12 months, continuously I am using ChatGPT Plus subscription using different ChatGPT accounts. And this offer, how many months we are receiving? Let's start on my Mac screen. This is my Mac screen. I just simply open here my ChatGPT and look at this here. Here is my one of the ChatGPT account, and bottom of the screen claim offer and free offer is showing here. If I click here, boom, try plus free for 1 month. I'm receiving this offer plus subscription for limited time for 1 month. Same as it is, I am receiving this offer of my different ChatGPT account as well. So this is one of the account and I will show you how we can claim this one. So I can use 1 month plus subscription without paying any penny. So I just simply claim here, getting your plan ready, unlock access to advice, and boom, look at this here, plus plan, cancel anytime, will remember before trial ends. We are reminding you creation faster, including expand deep search and agentic model as well. The value of this subscription 143 Danish krona, around $20. Here the subscription price today is a zero. I can use this one. Initially we need to provide just here the card information, so next month they can directly deduct this one. Before that you should cancel anytime. Simply provide here card detail, or you just pay this money via Apple Pay as well. So I have Apple Pay. Click here. So I need to scan this QR code. So I use my iPhone and just simply open here, then scan this QR code and provide here the authentication coming here without paying anything. Just simply provide the authentication, and here the 00 Danish krona. Meanwhile here the process is coming complete. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process, and boom, ChatGPT subscription we are receiving. If I refresh here and simply I refresh now, if I click here in my profile menu and upgrade plan, so look at this here, I am receiving here plus subscription absolutely free. Today is the 25th of August. Today is the 25th of July. So next 25th of August, I can access this premium subscription. I can access this plus subscription absolutely free. Using this process, you can save money and smartly access ChatGPT Plus subscription absolutely free. If you have any question, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.